Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise LG top loading. This is 8 kg top loading washing machine. This system is smart inverter system, not the normal one. This machine having problem with while we can the switching on the machine, but problem motor not rotating. This is the problem. Check what is the problem exactly. We have to open the control board, also the motor, everything we have to check, and let's see what we can do. Now I already given power connection to the machine. Now I will show you what is the problem exactly with this machine. Now I'm on the machine. Now I'm selecting only the direct spin. Here spin cycle only. It's high 13 minutes, and I will start the machine. Now drain pump already start. You can hear the noise. The remaining time 13 minutes. This is smart inverter system. Already came 10 minutes, 1 minute, reduce the time. You can see the problem here. The machine only the shaking, not rotating. Now you can see the problem. Only this much only is rotating. The problem actually with this machine, only the shaking little bit. After that, not showing any error message. Now see, now again it came, it is decreasing. Now it came down another minute, but still machine not rotating. Now only shaking little bit, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now we have to remove the, first we have to remove the motor, and motor continuity, everything we have to check. After that we have to check the control assemble, the main board. This much only rotating, pulsator little bit rotating, also drum also. After that releasing drain motor, and we will go for the next step. Now again I will give the power connection, and we have to check. Detecting as same before, spin cycle, and start the machine. And now we can check here. You can see here it is already clutch. Drain motor is okay, fine. Drain pump also okay, so running well. Motor not rotating, this is the problem. Now we will remove the motor, and we will check the continuity, everything. This is actually, now you can see the drain motor, it's again release the power. Now we will check the motor, we will remove the motor, and we will check. You can see the motor and belt, pulley, everything. This one actually with the rib belt, the V belt with the rib, not like any other pulley also same. And now I will remove the motor, and we will check. First we have to check the motor. Have to remove the motor. After that we will check separately. Only the motor we will check, because this problem actually in this model is the common issue. Now I already removed the motor, and we will take out, and this way we can take it. Given power connection, now we can check the motor. I select only the spin cycle. Drain pump is working properly. Also drain motor also working nicely. It's already working without any problem. Now the problem with the motor only. Now you can see the motor. This motor. So while power coming, but motor not rotating, it's very tight sometime, and releasing again. Now it's loose. Now again release drain motor, but motor not rotating. Again drain motor is taking. Now see, you can see that now this much only rotating, again releasing. This is the common issue. This problem actually we can resolve the problem, and we will check the motor continuity. Also we have to check the power control box. Now I am going to check the motor continuity. This is it's inverter system. It's 3-phase. It should be here, and also winding. If it is okay winding, it should be the ohms 13.5 in between 14. But we will check this two. It is showing 13.5. Also this two also showing 13.4. But according to this winding, this motor, its winding continuity okay, but problem motor not rotating, and we will check with the power control board, and we will remove the power control board, and we will check again. I am going to remove the control board. This control board somebody remove before, no? This one is coming cover also, but at the moment no any cover. Now we have to remove this door sensor. This control board. This one but we have to replace the motor board both if it is damaged, because if unfortunately motor getting damaged, at that time this IC also going, this IC, and we will check that one. Now this PCB already we replaced this IC. This is the IC number 6822M. The same IC we already replaced here, and after replacing IC we will check again motor, it's whether working or not. Now we have to fix N. Again we can check again once again. And we will check if it is working okay, otherwise we can go for another solution. We have to fix the door sensor. I given already power connection, and again I will start only spin cycle, and we will check whether motor working or not. Now if it is problem with the main board, motor should run now. Now motor start little bit. Display showing 9 minutes. The motor not rotating still. Now it should run actually, but still as same before. Before also same problem. Now already display showing 8 minutes, that's mean decreasing time. But problem with this machine is not showing any error message. Because of that troubleshoot very difficult. Now showing display 5 minutes remaining. Now in this time machine should get maximum RPM. This one 1000 RPM maximum it should get, but machine is still not, that's mean motor not rotating. The problem actually we suspect problem with the power control box, that which is the main IC. We already replaced that one also, nothing happened. That's mean we are suspecting now. Secondly, we are suspecting motor having problem. Now already I checked with the company, but at the moment in UAE company not available the same motor. Because of that we cannot repair this motor. And now we have to do some modification. This what we have to do, the same model, the same size. We have another model, but that one not inverter system, but that is normal system. That more that power control box we can fix to this display. After that we have to do harness assemble and motor and more clutch assemble pulley. We have to replace. After that our job will be finished. I will give that model also. After that who's going to repair this model, don't waste unnecessary time. The IC and all, no need to replace. problem with the main motor. You have to replace the motor. After that your problem will get solved, but here at the moment not available motor. Because of that I'm going to do some modification. That's what I'm going to do now. We will go to the next step.